Hello everyone, welcome back to Skill. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize Google Chrome. So let's get started. Start by opening Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Appearance on the left sidebar. Here you can select a new theme for Chrome. Click Themes to choose from various themes or customize your own. You can also adjust the font size in the Appearance section. Click Font Size to make the text larger or smaller according to your preference. To change the page zoom level, navigate to Page Zoom. You can zoom in or out to make text and images more comfortable to read. In the Search Engine section, you can set your prepared search engine. Click Search Engine used in the address bar and choose from the options. Click on the Site Settings to customize content settings. Here you can manage permissions like camera, microphone, and notification for websites. Okay, there you have it. So that's for today. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skill. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.